Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam and today we are making chips. This is Ghanaian chin chin. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. So lovelies, let's begin. We are going to need one onion and then we go ahead and grate it. This is totally optional, but trust me, it takes the flavor to another level, and some even add garlic to it. But ew, I don't like my chips with garlic, but I know some people love it that way, and you can decide to blend your onion instead of grating it, but I don't need much. Okay, and we are done here. So in the bowl I add in 600 grams of all-purpose flour. Remember to sieve your flour. Okay, so I add half teaspoon of salt, and this is my nutmeg. I'm going to grate in half. Alright there, so I then add half tablespoon of baking powder and then mix all the dry ingredients together. Alright there, so lovelies, I then add 140 grams of margarine, and this is salted margarine. Okay, so if you're using salted margarine, please be careful with the salt you add. So lovelies, I'm going to rub in the margarine till I get something like a breadcrumbs. We are there. This is what we are looking for. Okay, so I then make something like a well in between like this. Perfect. So I then add the grated onion to it. We add our water, and I'm going to add the water little by little till we get the dough we are looking for. We want to get a non-stick dough, a dough that will not be sticking on your hand at the end. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest with my hand. I always say that the hand never fails. Okay, so finally we are there, and as you can see, the dough is not sticking on my hand. So I'm gonna divide this into 3 equal sizes and then wrap it with my rubber wrap. Last somebody asked me a question, what if I don't have a wrapper to wrap my dough? What should I do? Just use a napkin to cover it. Okay, so after we finish wrapping all, I'm going to place this in a cool place for at least 24 minutes. It's okay. Alright there, let's allow it to rest for at least 24 minutes. And it's already 24 minutes. We are back. Let's check on our dough. Very soft and it won't be sticky. So what we are going to do next is to dust our board with flour. This is just to prevent the dough from sticking on the board. Okay, I'm going to work on the dough one by one. So I then dust my rolling pin too. Alright lovelies, let's begin rolling. My board is not that big. If you're working on a very large surface, you'll be able to roll it nicely and then roll the edges very nice. But in my case, my board is small, so I'm going to roll it small and then trim the edges. Okay, so I then go ahead and trim the edges. Okay, it's so thick, so let's flatten it small, and I'm doing that with my rolling pin. Okay, perfect. Now So I then make lines through like this. And then I take one out. So unlike Nigerian chin chin, they normally cut their chin chin into smaller cubes, but our Ghana chips, okay, this is how we cut our chips. And you can use either knife, pizza cutter, scissors, in fact any sharp thing you have, and you can use that to do the cutting. Just go ahead and then use it, okay. But most people enjoy cutting it with scissors, and they normally go fast. But for me, I can't go fast with the scissors, so I prefer to use my knife. So another difference is that unlike Nigerian chin chin, they add milk, they add egg, they add sugar, but we don't add sugar, we don't add all those things. They are optional, okay. All you need to make this Ghana chips is flour, butter, nutmeg for flavor, salt for taste, onion for flavor, and then what again? Water, of course. And at the end, we fry it in enough oil. The things we use to make our chips looks very simple, but at the end it's very yummy. Trust me. You can give it a try and then come to my comment section and thank me later. And I think our own is the healthiest, okay? Yeah, it's the healthiest. So please don't come for me. Now I think we all have a fair idea about how to cut the chips, so I'm going to wrap through this quickly. Okay, we are done with this one. So I want to show you another way you can cut your chips, okay, your Ghana chips. So you make a line through like this. Okay, so I then take this one out and then make a line to cross the first lines that we made. So simple, easy. So this is also another way you can cut your chips, okay. So I remove this one again. Hello lovelies, we are done here and you saw how easy it was and it's ready to be swim in oil. So let's begin the frying process. Exercise patience for your oil to be well heated before you add in the chips. You can also use onion to test your oil to know whether it's well heated. I love to do that, but I don't have any onion closer, okay. And as soon as you add in your chips, begin to stir. Don't be afraid, don't think there's going to be breakages. No, just stir it well, okay. And I'm frying on medium high heat. Remember to stir this from time to time, okay? This is a way to prevent it from burning on one side. Hello lovelies, at this point our first batch is ready, so we can now take it out. And this is my last batch. I did the rest off camera, okay? I don't want to prolong the video, but because this one I cut it into different shape, I want to fry it for you guys to see. Just like I said, remember to stir this from time to time, okay? And our last batch is ready. We can now remove it from the oil. Hello lovelies, finally our Ghana chips is ready. Look at how yummy it's looking, and this is a very nice business idea here in Ghana, and I hope you enjoy watching the video and you're going to give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.